Hello, my name is Steve and I'm a practitioner here at Cardiff Pain and Performance. What I'd like to talk to you today very quickly is the first question as practitioners in the clinic that we tend to ask ourselves when we meet you for the first time. And the first question we tend to ask ourselves is, do you have a structural problem, meaning a broken bone, slipped disc, dislocated joint, or do you have a functional problem? Because most people imagine if they have a structural problem, then they're unable to get better. And that's simply not true. The most important question is the structural problem so severe that you can't recover normal biomechanics? And so as an example of that, often people with hip problems, they may go and get an X-ray and have some hip degeneration. And it may even be mild to moderate hip degeneration, and that may not matter. And the reason why it may not matter is the most important thing is how much preserved movement do you actually have? Because in gait, in movement, we need around about 4 to 8 degrees of internal rotation. And if we have that internal rotation, then we can walk without causing more irritation and inflammation. So even though the X-ray or MRI scan may say, actually there's a fair amount of wear and tear, as long as you can recover the range of motion, then you shouldn't actually experience more pain. And in the vast majority of cases, the reason why people actually develop a structural problem in the first place is actually due to poor stability of the joint. Because what happens, we have a small injury and then the nervous system decides to try to protect us by altering the neurological muscular stability in the joint. And when that happens, in the short term, we don't